Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadget Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix S23, S23 Ultra and even on the S23 Plus. eSIM is not working and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to do a restart on your S23, and that is what we have to do. So to do a restart, we have to press volume down followed by power button, and we have to press and hold both the buttons together. So when you press and hold both the buttons together, we'll be getting this option. Tap on restart. Once the restart is successfully done, we just need to try and we have to see whether the issue is solved or not. This is what we have to do as the first and basic step. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues, so you can try with this one. Next one is all about nothing but we have to do a reset network settings, which is a very important one, and this did work out for many users as far as I'm concerned, and I found this from the Reddit. For this we just need to go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone. Now from here scroll down and navigate to reset. Now go for reset network settings, tap on it. You'll be losing all the connected things, for example Wi-Fi and everything you'll be losing it, and you have to try connect it back once again and give the passcode and connect it back once again and see, and that will be working fine for you guys as well. So still try it with both these two, and if it's not working, you can try the rest possible workaround which might be helping you guys as well. That is all about we have to update the iPhone. For updating in the sense you have to update your phone, not iPhone, you have to update the phone, because the software update can sometimes fix this kind of issue. These issues can even sometimes a software bug which is causing up, so that is why we recommend updating the software in all the way. So we just need to go over here and tap on the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone, scroll down and navigate to software update, just tap on download and install. Now from here update your software. So here very recently I posted the update, that is why I'm having this one. So this will not be the case for you. You need to update the software update. Once after that update is done, you have to do you can check whether the issue is solved or not as well. The last and the least one is all about you can do a factory reset, and you can see whether that is going to help you guys out or not. So just go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone, scroll down and navigate to reset, and we have to go for factory data reset. Once you go for the factory data reset, you have to check. So even also try with this, still the issues there, then I am requesting you guys to, like a bonus tip, you can just contact your the cellular or the eSIM provider. You can talk to them, they're going to help you guys out as well. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.